Hey guys,
Welcome back to the channel.
yeah, we're here, and today we're gonna be towing some vehicles.
Yeah.
So let's put on the hitch and get going.
Alright, so we got the trailer hooked up, as you can see. I'm gonna go fill my truck. Hopefully it fits on this because this is kind of short.
Hey, Handy Dan, what do you think of that end driver Eclipse?
I think that his parents bought him that car. Yeah, right, so got the truck on the trailer. Pretty easy actually. And now
So we're gonna tell you how to properly tie down your vehicle onto a U-Haul trailer. It's an important skill to have. So let's do it. First, you got this chain here. You're gonna want to wrap this around the rear axle, and then it goes through. Nice and strong. That's not going anywhere. That's okay. So now we've got another chain around the front. Wrap this around your nice solid frame. There's nothing to tie that to.
alright, so we got the two chains on. Now you got these huge straps that you just wrap over the tire.
Oh, they can barely fit over that big 33-inch tire.
Make sure they're nice and tight. Now here's the process for this. You feed through like this. And you just pull that like that. Make sure that the thing isn't twisted. And these are adjustable. And you just crank this thing down till it can't crank no more. Like that. That's not going anywhere. Good.
If Handy Dan can't move it, no one can. Alright, now we're off to Toyota, I guess.
Yeah.
Let's go. So we just brought the truck to Toyota, so hopefully they can figure it out. I'm also getting a front end alignment, which will be nice. But on our way, we did find this tank.
Hopefully this will get featured in one of our future videos.
Please contact us because this is amazing.
That thing is so cool. All right, we're gonna go to school now because you know we should be in school. But
Uh-oh. All right, so we're here at school with our trailer, and we're just gonna see what some people think of it.
yeah.
Weston, what do you think of the trailer?
I don't know.
It's pretty sturdy.
Awesome.
It's pretty large.
It's pretty sassy.
What?
This trailer? It's a pretty nice trailer.
All right, let's leave.
Okay, let's go over here.
Oh man.
Beautiful car. We were just driving. We found this, which looks a little bit rough around the edges, but I mean, this thing is definitely worthy of a restoration. 1963 Buick Wildcat. Dude, no rips, all vinyl, all red. Like, if I didn't have my Edsel, I might consider this. I don't know. Let's go pick it up though.
So his car won't start, so we're going to we're gonna use a come along.
We got my car loaded up here. It's a 1959 Edsel. Yeah, quite a bit of body work was done here, and all along here, back here. Then just ignore this for now. But back here as well, all this was redone. And if you come along this side, this was also redone. So this is Beverly, my pride and joy. We're gonna take her around to all the paint shops, see how much they're gonna charge the painter. Lunch break time, Mary Brown's, best chicken in Kelowna. So we took it to collision, and looks like they're not able to do it because they don't work on old stuff. So we're off to the next place.
So we went to Mirror Image, but they don't exist. So we're gonna go to Mako now. So, I received some news on my truck. So it turns out that the inner CV axle, one of the components we replaced, actually no, we replaced the outer, but the inner CV axle, the ball bearing has broken off. So my right CV axle is just kind of bouncing around every time I drive. And, well, pretty much the truck is so screwed over because of the lift kit that I have on it that, it's gonna cost $1,200 to fix.
Oh, why? All right, so we just went to Mako, and all right, so we just went to Mako, and the guy was really nice, and he said that he'd give me a quote tomorrow on how much money it would cost. So yeah, Mako. Now we're gonna go to White Steak.